So a video is circulating up everywhere online, and people are asking this question: who do you give your first fruit? Your father that is alive, or to God? Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI Channel 1 Plus, and I'm your girl Bella, where I give you the real deal of what is happening. So this particular core member decided to give her first fruit to her father. I don't need to say much about this video. Watch it first and see for yourself what she did.
Congratulations.
Adepe. Adepe.
You are 10% away. 7,000. So you thought you were feeling my dear mama, you know what it must be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Really? You go back and get 15 months there. No. I'm okay. No. Lara wa la mi te mu e tin pada bo le ma se ji bayi lo fun lagbara Ọlọ́run o ma fún mi mọ́tò lágbára Ọlọ́run o ma ṣe lágbára Ọlọ́run lójú ẹni o ma ṣe fún ìyá o ma ṣe fún mi náà o ma ṣe gbogbo ẹbí ìjọ lágbára Ọlọ́run o ní kàgbà fún bó lè ṣe tán sùn kò bẹ́ẹ̀ lórí àmà bẹ̀ ní wá sẹ́ǹsì iṣẹ́ alálùbáríkà Ọlọ́run yẹ̀dá ọkọ̀ alálùbáríkà àwọn yẹ̀dá o ní ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ gbé o ní bọ́ sáwọn ajínigbé o ní bọ́ sáwọn ajínigbá inú ẹ̀fẹ́ ọ̀dún bí ara yé lò inú ìṣe ń tó tí mo ṣàdúrà fún inú ìlú dé àdúgbò àdúrà tí mo ṣe máa mọ ìlágbára Ọlọ́run ókè wàràfà náà mọ̀nkánná
Aleya
o ṣe àwọn ajẹ́mi ìlágbára Ọlọ́run o ní ṣíwọ̀n ó parí ìwé tán ó parí kinní kan tán ó ṣe gbogbo NYSC ẹ̀ tán ní àbúrò kan ṣẹlẹ̀ àbúrò ní ṣẹlẹ̀
So you've seen the video firsthand. Now, before I get into the video, do you know somebody is saying that this girl does not owe her father anything? Some people that doesn't want to amount to anything in their life say that this girl did not have to give her father any dime from that first money. You can imagine. Anyway, is it right for this girl for this core member to give her first Allowee to her daddy or to God? First of all, let's be realistic, because a lot of people in this country are being too religious to be reasonable. Okay, you have to honor your father and your mother. That's commandment. Honor your father and your mother, and that's the honoring that this girl is doing. It's not as if this part of the money that she's giving to her father is enough, but to show appreciation, because you see some people earning a lot of money, doing something for themselves, and not even caring about the family you come from. Because if you do not care about your family you come from, who do you care for? From the look of things, you see the house that the father is staying. This man is not a poor person. He's not begging this girl for money, but the girl decided that I'm going to do the needful. That is being responsible. This is to show you how responsible this person is going to be further, because there are a lot of priorities. It's not as if that we are writing off giving to church or giving to God. Yes, we'll get to that, because there are a lot of the span of the years that this girl will work. She will give this video is very very funny, because I remember one time a colleague of mine, you know what she did? She took all her first money and now gave it to church and now gave it to pastor. So the other girl was making jokes, and she actually did give all her money. She did not remain anything. She did not remain any dime again. She gave, as he paid the girl, let's assume they are paying her 80,000 or 100,000. She collected the 100,000 and now gave it to the church like that. So most times during breaks, she doesn't have money to, So one of us is now making jokes about it. So by the way, when you are realistic about this particular example I made, you are supposed to split the money. They did not say you should bring all your money. Some pastors are preaching take everything and go and dump in the church. But when you take everything and go and dump to the church, what are you going to be left with? Just like that girl will be hungry during breaks, and other people will be making jokes. That's how you're going to. You have to be reasonable about this things. Go back to your roots. You have to be reasonable. And this is a realistic This is very realistic part of honor, and go back to your roots. Look at how the father took some and gave it to the girl, and the girl remembered that, and I came from somewhere, I have to honor. The man did not say you must give me your money. He did not say you must give me your money. Anyway, I know people have a lot of things. Your take, you can drop it on the comment section, but I'm here to tell you, see, my people, honor your father and mother and do the needful. Yes, you have to give your 1/10 that be, yes, to God, but still, I'm not trying to discourage you from giving your money to church. Okay, do the needful, but please do not give your money to those fake pastors. They don't care. Pastor go eat your money. Pastor will chop your money and be living the soft life. You that is earning the money, you be broke. So pay your tithes and do the needful. Don't give your money to all those fake pastors. Pastor go dey flex. Anyway, how much are you even earning? Money will not even reach $1,000. You go dey just dey. Anyway, remember, this is very beautiful. Family is okay. God is very okay. God and everything is very okay. So however you feel, put it on the comment section. I know people have a lot of things to say. Let's continue the conversation in the comment section.